Guys, love yourself before someone loves you. Just because, guys, those men who says they don't love me, he doesn't love me, he doesn't give me money. Yes, he doesn't give you money just because he saw that you don't even take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself first, and you have to take care of your health first before someone. Some people, they don't love themselves, they love some. You love someone more than you love yourself. No, don't do that. Start to love yourself first. Love yourself first, and you can love someone. And most of the times, when you can bath or smell good to yourself, you are smelling good. Yes, you can, so that even your partner, he can love you just because you love yourself. And he can give you money just because he can, so that you have value. You can take care of, you can take care of your skin. He understand that this person love you. You have to love yourself before you love someone. Just because some people, they forget to love themselves, and they love someone.